LOCOSYS brings you a live report from the scenic mountains of Taitung, Taiwan, where advanced technology meets aerial innovation. Today, the LOCOSYS GB-10 RTK full-frequency base station and the latest VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, with Hawk R2 drone are being used to capture high-precision aerial imagery of the local terrain. The LOCOSYS GB-10 RTK base station delivers exceptional real-time kinematic RTK positioning accuracy with centimeter-level precision, supporting major global satellite systems, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. It provides stable and reliable positioning even in challenging terrains. Its compact design and multi-frequency GNSS antenna ensure superior performance in diverse environments. The advanced VTOL drone integrates seamlessly with the GB-10 and Hawk R2, offering vertical takeoff and horizontal flight capabilities. This flexibility makes it ideal for narrow or uneven spaces, such as Taitung's lush and mountainous landscapes. The combination of extended flight time, broad coverage, and precision mapping highlights its unmatched performance for aerial surveys. The GB-10 base station, equipped with its high-sensitivity external antenna, ensures uninterrupted and accurate signal transmission to the VTOL drone. With real-time correction of GPS data, positioning errors are reduced to sub-centimeter levels, critical for environmental monitoring, topographic surveys, and disaster preparedness. During today's aerial survey, the team captured striking imagery of significant landslides and terrain changes caused by the recent Taiwan earthquake. Large sections of mountainsides have collapsed, altering the region's natural topography and leaving behind visible scars of destruction. This data is invaluable for assessing the impact of the earthquake, identifying unstable areas, and planning recovery efforts. Today's successful operation not only mapped forested terrain, but also revealed the extent of these geologic transformations, providing valuable insights into the region's evolving landscape. The LOCOSYS GB-10 and VTOL drone are setting new standards for smart surveying, delivering efficient and precise mapping solutions. This is reporter LOCOSYS, live from Taitung, Taiwan, showcasing the latest in technological innovation and disaster response.